For the maximum vase life on your cut peony flowers, you want to pick your peony flowers when they look like this, not when they look like this. This seems too soon. Everybody says, but the bud hasn't opened up yet. But this is the magical marshmallow stage. Marshmallow stage is when your peony buds are soft like a marshmallow when gently squeezed. You'll notice you can see a flush of color of the true petals, and these sepals on the side, these are modified leaves, are soft and are easily peeled back. Compare that to a bud like this. This bud is really hard, feels like a marble when you squish it, and those petals on the side are locked over the bud. Also, no flush of the true color of the petals have emerged yet. A bud like this can open up as quickly as 24 hours or as late as the next few days, depending on a couple factors, including the temperature of your home, the temperature of the water they're put in, and how much light they're receiving inside your home. Do you put them in direct sunlight or somewhere tucked away that's cool and shady? The reason you don't want to pick a flower like this that's already started to open up is a couple-fold. One, this flower has already been exposed to sun, rain if you've had any, and general other elements. This flower is not as fresh as this one will be when it opens. These flowers are a little bit more fragile, and the vase life has already started to decline because you're putting in the vase a flower that's already enjoyed the first few days of its life outdoors. So what you're getting indoors is substantially less than when you put in one in the marshmallow stage and allow it to open up naturally inside. And if you pick one in the marble stage, it's a 50-50 chance that it will open. In general, if you don't see any little flush of color of those petals, this bud will not open. So leave this one on your plant to enjoy and wait to get to the marshmallow stage if you want to cut it. And if you had a really hot day and it was marshmallow in the morning and your plants have started putting out big, beautiful flowers later on in the day, leave these ones on to enjoy rather than bringing them inside. You'll get much better enjoyment out of your marshmallow stage flowers. I'm Bethy. I'm the owner of Blue Acre Garden. My goal is to make your gardens better. I hope this video was helpful to you on picking peonies for the maximum amount of vase life possible. If this video was helpful to you, like and subscribe. Thank you.